Salmon and Dill are folded in spring roll wrappers and fried until super crispy. Let's also pair them with a very tasty sweet chili sauce.
If you like salmon and you like something crispy, you will be sure to enjoy this recipe.
Here we have about ½ pound of salmon. Season the salmon with salt and white pepper. Here we have some spring roll wrappers. They are available in most Asian grocery stores by the freezer sections. Lay a spring roll wrapper flat. Place a piece of salmon in the center and add the dill above the salmon. You can also replace it with other herbs that you enjoy. Fold the bottom corner up, followed by the two sides to the center. Continue to roll it up and brush beaten egg at the top. And roll it up. Repeat with the rest. In a large pot over high heat, place in the oil. And we're going to heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer in the spring rolls a few at a time. Deep fry until golden brown for about 3 minutes. Remove and drain on a paper towel lined plate. Repeat with the rest. In a small pot over medium heat, add the apple juice, ketchup, rice vinegar, and sambal oelek chili sauce. You can also replace it with other types of chili sauce. And bring it to a simmer. Pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Whisk until it is thickened. At the end of this episode, I'd like to share with you my favorite show of all time, 神韵 Performing Arts. 神韵 revives and celebrates China's rich cultural heritage with performances from one legend, region, or dynasty to the next. It's touring to over 150 cities around the world. So check the tickets in your local city at www.shenyun.com. I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it as much as I do.
It is super crispy and the aroma is amazing. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!